Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting immediate control. Unlock with the fob or app and sit in the driver's seat. Make sure the gear selector is in park. Check the battery percent and range. If it's under 20%, plug in now or plan a charging stop. EV range affects route choices. Adjust seat, mirrors, and steering so you have clear sight lines. Once done, choose drive mode. ECO conserves energy, normal balances feel. Sport sharpens throttle response, so you know how the car will behave when you move. You press the brake and hit the power button. Watch for the ready indicator. No engine noise, but the car is active. Shift into drive for normal driving or select B to increase regenerative braking when you expect stops or downhill stretches. Apply the accelerator smoothly. EV torque is immediate, so you avoid wasting energy. Use one-pedal driving, lift to decelerate and recover charge, and brake only for full stops. Make sure to monitor charge and range as you drive, and adapt speed to conserve. You pull into a parking spot, come to a complete stop, and shift into park. Engage the parking brake when parked on grade. If you plan to charge, plug the connector in firmly, align pins and listen for the click. Verify charging on the dash or app. When leaving, unlock, unplug, and stow the cable. If the car won't show ready, the charger won't engage, or warning lights appear, restart the vehicle, inspect cables for damage and if unresolved. Contact roadside support for EV-specific assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.